Look at that thing. That is one big sprayer.
Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler. And we're ready to travel. Looks like we might run into some rain today. It is looking pretty nasty out here.
Welcome to Gothenburg, Nebraska, the home of something pretty interesting to do with speed. This is the original station of the famous Pony Express that started back in 1854. So the building itself, the wood on the bottom is original. The roof is not. Back then, the roof was covered in sod. So the building itself was actually 20 miles west of here. It was just replaced here. The original Pony Express station in 1854. From 1860 to 61, used as a Pony Express station. From 1862 to 1931, was used as an overland trail stage station, dwelling, bunkhouse, and storage house. And in the back, I don't think the electrical boxes and stuff are there. I'm gonna touch some history. Look at that. Touching wood from way back in 1854. All right, we're going in. How is it going?
Me?
Yeah, how's it going? She probably thought I was talking to somebody else.
Yeah, no.
I know.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Do you want me to give you like the rundown?
Yeah, give us the rundown.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Look at her desk there. It's made of pennies.
Yeah.
All right, give us the rundown.
Okay, so Pony Express only lasted 18 months. I don't know if you knew that, but this building was originally a fur trading place. And so if you look over here in this picture right here, we're actually in this building. We're just on the top half.
Oh, we're on the top half of
Yeah,
this building.
so this is what it used to look like.
Oh, so this is what it used to look like, and
But
we're on
now
the top
we're
half,
just on
not the
top
bottom half.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, again, this was in Maxwell, Nebraska, which is just 20 miles west. Gothenburg has two Pony Express stations, actually. So there's one south of town, and it's right here. It's like 4 miles south of town, and it is on its original location and everything, but it's on private farmland, so they don't let people come out and look at it. But, so that's the trail, that picture right there. And if you look, each one of those words on the trail is a station, and so each rider had to stop at each station and switch out horses. So the station we're in right now is a relay station specifically meant just for switching out horses, and they only had 2 minutes to do so.
Wow, only 2 minutes to switch out horses, and these
Yes.
were all the stops along the way.
Yeah, so each stop was like 12 to 15 miles apart, maybe a little longer. It just depended on the terrain. And so they'd use this mochila right here, which is not the saddle, but the part around the saddle. So if you look, you can see the cutouts. That made it really easily for the people to just lift off the mochila and put it onto the next saddle.
Oh, okay.
So it was really quick. And if a rider fell off, the mail wouldn't, and so the mail would make
So this is the mail would stay on the horse. If the rider fell off, the mail would still go.
Yep.
Because the way they had it mounted. Most of the stuff was either destroyed or burned, but this is kind of the time period and what it looked like in the Pony Express station. Buffalo hide coat. Sorry about the glare there, but here's a few pictures of the Pony Express riders, and one in particular right here. Bronco Charlie Miller. He started at age 11 and he died at 105 years old. I'm just driving down the main street of Gothenburg, Nebraska. We're going to be seeing a lot of this in a few minutes. Well, that was pretty cool seeing the Pony Express building on my way to North Platte, Nebraska, where the largest train yard, I believe, in the world is. So we're going to head that way now. And on that note, traveler out.